Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you may never miss update. Let's start the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to recover Gmail account on your phone without phone number and email. So let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, first of all, open Chrome app on your phone. After that, tap on three lines here. Again, open Chrome app and then tap on three dots. Click here, tap it, and then tap settings. After that, tap on Gmail, then scroll down and click on manage your account. Tap it. Now here's new appear on screen and waiting few seconds. Now scroll down and then tap on sign in. Now click here, scroll down, click on change password. After that, here's new appear on screen. Now here's here, tap on your iPhone passcode. Now tap it. Now is asking new password and confirm password. Enter new password. Then scroll down and re-enter password. Again open, tap phone lock password, so type your passcode, then scroll down and then tap confirm passcode. Now click here and then scroll down, tap on change. Now tap on change password. Now you can see as your password was changing on Gmail and get started and log in here and log out another phone's your Gmail address. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.